World.
What kind of dinosaurs are we gonna see here today?
Well, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna tell you what we've seen so far. We've seen 2 Stegosauruses, a Gigantosaurus, Parasaurolophuses, and Raptors.
Wow.
And a T-Rex.
What time period were the dinosaurs?
And a T-Rex and Confies.
We did. What time period were the dinosaurs?
Cretaceous period.
Yeah. All right, so let's go find some other stuff. Look at Camp Jurassic.
Oh, that means Camp Cretaceous. Let's go to there.
Camp Cretaceous.
Nose when coughing and sneezing and maintain social distancing.
Seriously has the fire on it.
Here we come.
Da-da-da-da-dum.
Hopefully we don't get.
How's the song go?
Just like that. Hopefully we don't get.
Quite think of this being a water ride. Right at the beginning of the day.
I hope it's just a tour. It doesn't look like it, but I hope it is.
Time.
Oh, Chase, look at it.
Flowing river.
We're going through the gates.
Come with us now to a time before man, when the river flowed through a newborn world and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Oh, whatever you said.
What is it, Chase?
That's a Palosaurus. Those are one of the biggest creatures ever alive.
You just.
The Ultrasaurs in this review are the largest creatures ever on the earth.
Oh, that's a
Oh, no.
Oh, it didn't hit us.
I hear something.
Chase, what's this one? Chase, what's this?
Up on our tour is Hadrosaur
A Parasaurolophus?
Yeah, water out of his nose. Yeah, that's a Palosaurus.
Chase, it pushed us off course.
Raptor containment area. Please stay seated. We'll grab your
We're in the Raptor area.
Do not get out of the boat.
Chase, look it over here.
Changing animal control to CP25. There's a tour boat off course in the Raptor containment area. We've got to get those people out of there. Do you copy CP25? Grab the boat before they get too far. Come back, CP25.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, that's a big hill.
Chase, look in here. right, let's go get the rides before the line gets too long.
Put
Let's
those
see if you're
ones
tall enough. 5?
You a minute.
You're good, my friend.
Turn
Chase,
around.
you're good.
Stick your head up real quick.
Alright, so he will be too tall to go on his own because this is our max. It is just for the little kids. Can you stand right here for me?
This is the Pterodon Flyers. He said you're too big, you're an adult now. So that's why you have to accompany Kendall. Let's go, run. Say it again, where are we, Jay? What are these?
These are pteranodons. We're gonna ride on pteranodons.
We're gonna go flying on pteranodons?
Always follow their path.
Wait, you're back here, back here.
The pteranodons always follow their path. So pteranodons always
Unfortunately,
follow
so the stick will have to be put away when you get on the ride. Alright. Bye, guys. Oh, thanks. Go.
We just went on the pteranodon flyer, and it was awesome. We flew over the whole Jurassic Park Isla Nublar. It flew over the whole thing.
Look at this. What's this way? Let's go this way and see what's over here. I think it's a dinosaur play area.
Dad, I think you need access to get there.
I don't think so. I think it's a dinosaur play area.
Hey guys, we're gonna go down this dino ride.
Right,
We haven't seen the most of the park, so we're gonna go down the slide. So we're gonna go and turn the camera on. Mine, it doesn't work for me. We're going. Dad, there's another slide right here. So that was the slide here at Isla Nublar. There's another slide. Oh, there's more things up there. Let's go. Oh, I just thought I heard a Patasaurus or a Brachiosaurus. But they might sound dangerous, but they're giants. But they're gentle giants. Splash pad. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go. I think I'm gonna go around.
Oh, Dad, this is a steep slide. Okay, we're gonna go down it. Watch out! Okay, guys, we're going down. I'm turning the camera around. Oh, watch out, guys. Okay, guys, we went down the slide. Oh no, our dad's here. No, our dad's here. Dad, let's try this one. That was I was standing and I slipped and fell. And I was like, Mommy, watch out, I'm coming. Echo cave. Echo! Ooh,
Try it out. Does it echo?
looks pretty.
Yell something. Does it echo?
There's some boxes here. You don't know what to do. It's kind of that pretty noisy. There's waterfalls. We're gonna go into the cave. We don't know what it means. What does that say?
It says caution.
Caution. Oh, still up.
Ah!
Oh, there's water cannons up there. There's Dilophosaurus. Dad, let's keep going. Dad, watch out. There's Dilophosaurus there. Watch it. We got out of the Dilophosaurus area. Should we go through there?
No.
Oh, yeah. This must be. We're going into another cage. We just got out of the Jurassic Park area. We just got out of the the Jurassic Park, the Velociraptor. I hear another Brachiosaurus. We're back into the play center. We're out of the Dilophosaurus paddock.
Uh-oh, this says you may get wet.
Oh.
This is where the cannons were. Guys, you can shoot people over here.
Oh, we're up here. Oh,
When people walk through, you can shoot them.
I think some Dilophosaurus, we have to get them. Oh, get the Dilophosaurus! They're coming up. Can you press this button down? Get the Dilophosaurus!
Where's the button?
Wait, here. Now shoot.
I think this one's not working. Let's try another one.
Oh, this one might be working. Yep, this one's working. So press the button. I got it. Ready? I'm getting him. I got the Dilophosaurus. I think we're safe for now. Oh. Oh no, it's some parasol. It's water cannon.
Go for it.
They're trash.
Run.
They're electric. Oh, we're going up here. We're going up here. That looks like the pond right down. We wouldn't want to fall down there. Let's cross the bridge.
Ah, the bridge is closed.
Let's go back down.